Shalom, I am Rabbi David. Tonight, I am going to reveal a three-word Jewish prayer that has the power to completely reprogram your financial reality while you sleep. Most people believe that wealth is only created during the day through hustle, stress, and endless grinding. They go to bed exhausted, their minds racing with anxiety about bills, debts, and the economy. They wake up feeling defeated before the day has even begun. But the ancient Jewish sages understood a profound secret about the night. They understood that sleep is not just a biological necessity, it is a spiritual reset. The Talmud teaches that the state of your consciousness in the final moments before you fall asleep determines the quality of the divine blessing you will receive the next morning. Today, I am going to explain the spiritual mechanics of sleep, why your nighttime anxiety is blocking your money, and the exact 3 Hebrew words you must whisper tonight to open the floodgates of unexpected wealth. If you are tired of waking up to financial stress, this video will change your life. To understand the power of these 3 words, we first have to understand how the Talmud views sleep. In Tractate Barakot, the sages make a startling statement. They say that sleep is 1/60th of death. This is not meant to be frightening, it is meant to be revealing. When you sleep, your conscious mind shuts down and your soul ascends to the heavenly realms to be recharged and recalibrated. The physical body remains, but the active, striving ego is temporarily suspended. This creates a spiritual vacuum. The Talmud warns that if you go to sleep with a mind full of fear, anger, or financial panic, that negative energy fills the vacuum. You literally program your soul to attract more restriction and poverty the next day. But if you go to sleep with a mind anchored in divine trust, you program your soul to receive infinite abundance. And for those who are truly serious about accelerating their journey, for a limited time, I am opening the doors to the Torah Millionaire Business School for just $299. This is where I unveil the complete Torah wealth system. It is the full architecture of ancient wisdom applied to modern financial transformation. The doors are closing soon, so check the link in the comments. The practice of reciting a specific prayer before sleep is known in Jewish tradition as Kriyat Shema al-Hamitah, the bedtime Shema. The Talmud in Barakot 5a states that whoever recites the Shema on their bed is protected from negative spiritual forces, which the sages refer to as demons. In modern terms, these demons are the destructive thoughts of lack, insecurity, and financial panic that attack you in the middle of the night. The bedtime Shema acts as a spiritual shield. It seals your consciousness against the anxiety of the world and aligns your soul with the infinite frequency of the Creator. The core of this practice is a 3-word phrase that has been whispered by Jewish people for thousands of years. Those 3 words are Shema Yisrael Adonai. Listen, Israel, the Lord. Let us break down the profound financial power of these 3 words. The first word is Shema, which translates to listen or hear. In the context of wealth, Shema is a command to stop striving and start receiving. All day long, you are talking, negotiating, demanding, and pushing. You are trying to force the universe to give you what you want. But wealth does not respond to force, it responds to alignment. When you whisper Shema before you sleep, you are commanding your ego to be quiet. You are shifting from a state of frantic output to a state of radical receptivity. You are telling the Creator, I have done my work for the day. Now I am ready to listen. I am ready to receive your guidance, your blessing, and your unexpected provision. Shema opens the channel. The second word is Yisrael, which translates to Israel. But this is not just a geographic location, it is a spiritual identity. The name Israel was given to the patriarch Jacob after he wrestled with an angel all night and prevailed. The name literally means one who wrestles with God and overcomes. When you whisper Yisrael, you are claiming your identity as a spiritual warrior. You are reminding your soul that you are not a victim of the economy, the banks, or your current bank balance. You are a sovereign being with the power to overcome any financial obstacle. You are declaring that you have the strength to wrestle with the challenges of the physical world and extract the divine blessing hidden within them. Yisrael activates your power. Let me tell you about a woman named Diana. Diana was a freelance graphic designer who was constantly struggling to find clients. She worked 14-hour days, constantly pitching and hustling, but she could barely make rent. Her nights were consumed by panic attacks. She would lie awake, staring at the ceiling, calculating how many days she had left before her savings ran out. She came to me completely exhausted. I told her that her nighttime anxiety was actively repelling the clients she was trying so hard to attract. I taught her the bedtime Shema and instructed her to focus entirely on those 3 words, Shema Yisrael Adonai. I told her to stop calculating her debts in bed and start whispering those words until she fell asleep. Diana was skeptical, but she was desperate enough to try. The first few nights were difficult as her mind fought against the silence, but by the 4th night she felt a profound sense of peace wash over her. She slept deeply for the first time in months. The next morning, she woke up to an email from a major corporate client she had pitched 6 months prior and completely forgotten about. They wanted to hire her for a massive rebranding project that paid more than she usually made in a year. The money was completely unexpected. It did not come from her frantic daytime hustle. It came from the spiritual alignment she created in the dark. The 3rd word is Adonai, which translates to the Lord or the Master. In the Kabbalistic tradition, this specific name of God represents the attribute of Malkut or kingship. It is the divine energy that manifests in the physical world. It is the source of all material provision, all wealth, and all physical reality. When you whisper Adonai, you are acknowledging that you are not the ultimate source of your income. Your boss is not your source. Your clients are not your source. The stock market is not your source. The creator of the universe is your only true source. When you anchor your mind to this truth right before you sleep, you release the heavy burden of having to figure everything out yourself. You hand the ultimate responsibility for your financial survival over to the infinite master of the universe. Adonai seals the blessing. The great sage, known as the Vilna Gaon, taught that the last thought you hold in your mind before sleep is the thought that your soul meditates on all night long. If your last thought is about your credit card bill, your soul spends the entire night meditating on lack. You wake up feeling drained and poor. But if your last thought is Shema Yisrael Adonai, listen, I am a sovereign being, connected to the infinite source, your soul spends the entire night meditating on abundance. You wake up feeling energized, confident, and magnetic. You literally reprogram your subconscious mind for wealth while your body rests. This is why the morning blessings in the Talmud, the Birkot HaShachar, begin with profound gratitude. The sages understood that when you sleep in alignment, you wake up to a world full of new possibilities. Consider the story of a man named Marcus. Marcus owned a small manufacturing company that was on the brink of bankruptcy. A major supplier had raised their prices, and Marcus could no longer afford the raw materials he needed to fulfill his orders. He was facing the loss of his business and his family's livelihood. He spent his nights pacing the floor, trying to invent a solution out of thin air. He was operating purely on fear. I introduced him to the 3-word bedtime practice. I told him that his pacing was an insult to the Creator. It was a declaration that he believed he was entirely alone in the universe. I challenged him to get into bed, close his eyes, and whisper, Shema Yisrael Adonai, until he surrendered the problem. Marcus did as I asked. He stopped pacing. He got into bed and whispered the words. He felt a massive release of tension and fell into a deep sleep. The next morning, he received a phone call from a completely different supplier, a company he had never done business with. They had a surplus of the exact material he needed and offered to sell it to him at a steep discount just to clear their warehouse. It was a financial miracle that saved his company. Marcus realized that the solution was always there. He just had to get his anxious ego out of the way so the blessing could arrive. The practice of the bedtime Shema is also connected to a powerful verse in the book of Psalms. King David writes in Psalm 4, "Tremble and do not sin. Reflect in your heart while on your bed and be silent." The Hebrew word for reflect here implies a deep internal accounting. The sages teach that before you sleep, you must forgive anyone who owes you money or who has wronged you financially. You must clear your heart of all resentment. Resentment is a heavy, toxic energy that blocks the flow of abundance. When you hold on to financial grudges, you tie yourself to the past. You prevent new money from entering your life. The three words, Shema Yisrael Adonai, are the key that unlocks this forgiveness. When you realize that the Creator is the source of all wealth, you stop being angry at the people who failed to pay you. You realize that the Creator can replace that lost money from 1,000 different directions. You reflect on your bed, you forgive, you whisper the words, and you enter the silence of true wealth. This silence is not just the absence of noise, it is the presence of divine potential. In the Jewish mystical tradition, silence is considered the highest form of praise. When you are silent, you are no longer trying to convince the universe of your needs. You are resting in the absolute certainty that your needs are already known and already provided for. The bedtime Shema is the bridge that takes you from the noisy, chaotic world of financial striving into the silent, infinite world of divine provision. When you cross that bridge every night, you begin to carry that silence with you into the day. You become less reactive to market fluctuations. You become less triggered by unexpected expenses. You operate from a deep, unshakable core of financial peace. This peace is highly attractive. It draws people, opportunities, and capital toward you because everyone wants to do business with someone who is not operating out of desperation. Let me share one final story. A young man named Oliver was an aspiring real estate agent. He was smart and hardworking, but he had a deep-seated belief that wealthy people were greedy and corrupt. He subconsciously resented the very clients he was trying to serve. Because of this hidden resentment, he kept sabotaging his own deals. He would get close to closing a massive commission, and then something would mysteriously fall apart. He was broke and frustrated. I explained to him the concept of the bedtime Shema and the requirement to clear his heart of resentment. I told him that his judgment of others was blocking his own blessing. For 30 nights, Oliver practiced the ritual. Before sleep, he consciously forgave anyone he felt had wronged him, and he released his judgment of the wealthy. Then he whispered, Shema Yisrael Adonai. He shifted his focus from the flaws of other people to the perfection of the Creator. Within 2 months, his entire career transformed. He closed 3 massive deals back-to-back, earning more in 60 days than he had in the previous 2 years. The money was unexpected, but it was not an accident. It was the direct result of clearing the spiritual blockages in his subconscious mind. I want you to try this tonight. When you get into bed, turn off your phone. Do not look at your bank account. Do not check the news. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Forgive anyone who owes you anything. Release your anxiety about tomorrow. And then, whisper those 3 words. Shema Yisrael Adonai. Listen, claim your power and acknowledge your source. Whisper it until you feel your body relax. Whisper it until you fall asleep. Do this for 7 nights in a row and watch how your financial reality begins to shift. Watch how unexpected opportunities, sudden checks, and brilliant ideas begin to flow into your life. Tell me in the comments below if you are ready to take the 7-night challenge. I read every single comment, and I want to see who is ready to reprogram their wealth. If this video opened your eyes to the power of the night, subscribe to the channel. I am dedicated to bringing you the most powerful, transformative teachings of the Jewish tradition. Remember, the greatest financial work you will ever do happens when your eyes are closed. Shalom, and until next time. But before you go, I know what some of you are thinking. You are thinking that whispering 3 words is too simple. You are thinking that if wealth were this easy, everyone would be rich. You are trapped in the illusion of complexity. You believe that because your financial problems are complicated, the solution must also be complicated. This is a lie sold to you by a society that profits from your stress. The truth is, the highest spiritual laws are always the simplest. Gravity is simple. Light is simple. The flow of divine abundance is simple. It is your ego that makes it complicated. Your ego wants to struggle because struggle makes it feel important. When you refuse to practice a simple spiritual ritual because it does not feel like hard work, you are choosing your ego over your wealth. You are choosing to remain poor just so you can feel justified in your exhaustion. Drop the arrogance. Embrace the simplicity of the ancient wisdom. Furthermore, some of you might be thinking that you have tried affirmations before and they did not work. You might have stood in front of a mirror repeating, "I am a millionaire" 100 times, only to check your bank account and see the same dismal balance. The bedtime Shema is not a modern manifestation affirmation. It is not a psychological trick to pump up your self-esteem. It is a 3,000-year-old spiritual technology that aligns your soul with the creator of the universe. When you say, "I am a millionaire," you are focusing on yourself and your current lack. When you whisper, "Shema Yisrael Adonai," you are taking the focus completely off yourself and placing it entirely on the infinite source. You are not trying to convince yourself of a lie. You are surrendering to the ultimate truth. That surrender is what opens the door to unexpected money. It is not about forcing reality to bend to your will. It is about aligning your will with the divine flow. I want to leave you with a final thought on the power of the night. In the Jewish tradition, the day actually begins at nightfall. In the book of Genesis, it says, "And there was evening and there was morning, one day." The darkness always precedes the light. The hidden internal work always precedes the external visible manifestation. If you want to change what happens in the light of day, you must first change what happens in the darkness of the night. Your financial future is being written in the quiet moments before you sleep. Do not waste those moments on fear. Do not waste them on anger. Claim them for your soul. Whisper the 3 words, enter the silence, and let the creator of the universe do the heavy lifting while you rest. This shift in perspective, from seeing the night as the end of the day to seeing it as the beginning of the next, is the ultimate wealth hack. When you view sleep as the end, you carry all the failures, rejections, and financial losses of the past 24 hours into your bed. You sleep in the energy of the past. But when you view sleep as the beginning, you enter your bed as a blank slate. You are stepping into a new cycle of creation. The 3 words of the bedtime Shema are the password that grants you access to this new cycle. They wipe the slate clean. They disconnect you from the poverty of yesterday and connect you to the infinite possibilities of tomorrow. So tonight, when you lay your head on the pillow, do not think about what you lost today. Think about what you are about to create. Whisper the words and wake up ready to receive. And if you are truly serious about accelerating your journey and applying these principles at the highest level for a limited time, I am opening the doors to the Torah Millionaire Business School for just $299. This is where I unveil the complete Torah wealth system, the full architecture of ancient wisdom applied to modern financial transformation. The doors are closing soon. The link is in the comments. I look forward to seeing you inside and helping you build the wealth you were destined to create.